Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does SB mean on Snapchat. So, let's get started. SB on Snapchat stands for Snapback. It's a way of asking someone to send you a snap in return. If you see someone send you SB, don't be afraid to snap them back. There are a few reasons why people use SB on Snapchat. Maybe they're trying to keep up a snap streak with someone. Or maybe they're just bored and want to start a conversation. Whatever the reason, SB is a common way to communicate on Snapchat. To use SB on Snapchat, simply send it to someone in a message. You can also add it to your Snapchat story to let your friends know that you're open to snaps. Here are some examples of how to use SB on Snapchat. Hey, SB? Let's keep our snap streak going. SB? That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.